Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Maria, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make the apps on your iPhone transparent. If this guide helps you, please don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So the first thing we need to make sure is that you have the latest version of iOS. Then what we're going to do is simply tap anywhere on your screen and we're going to select Edit right here on the left. Now here you're going to have different options. You can customize, add widgets, edit your wallpaper, but we're going to select customize. Now at the bottom, we're going to have 4 different options. You can set your apps as default, you can make your apps dark, or you can make your apps clear. Now the only thing left is to tap anywhere else, and now your apps are going to be completely transparent, but you're going to be able to use them as normal. And that's it. That's how you can make your apps transparent. And don't forget to like the video if this was helpful.